Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to block ads in Zen Browser. Alright, so first of all, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus A from your keyboard. So Ctrl plus Shift plus A and you will see this interface add-ons. Now if the shortcut is not working, just go on top right corner, click on these three dots and here select extensions and themes. Alright. Now go on the search bar and type here uBlock Origin. Alright, press enter and you will see this interface Firefox browser add-ons. Click on uBlock Origin and here click on add to Firefox. Make sure to enable this option, allow extensions to run in private windows. Click on add and click on pin extensions to toolbar. Click on OK and here as you can see the extension is added. Now you can turn it off, you can turn it on. Now if you wanna manage the extension, just again go on top left corner, click on these three dots, click on extensions and themes and here click on these three dots and click on manage. By going over here you can manage the extension. So that's how you can block ads on Zen Browser. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.